Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the REAMTOP 3x8 speed shifter and brake combo. This unit replaces separate systems with one integrated design for a much cleaner and more efficient handlebar setup. It fits universal 22mm handlebars and works perfectly with both V-brake and mechanical disc brake systems. You can complete the installation in 10 minutes using the included cables and the visible optical gear display. The ergonomic trigger handles allow you to shift gears and brake effortlessly with a flick of your thumb. High-quality aluminum alloy construction ensures this shifter remains solid and durable during your most intense cycling adventures. This versatile component is compatible with Shimano setups for mountain bikes, road bikes, and even folding bicycle models. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.